Next, let's discuss some of the numericals based on our mirror formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this is the question. You can see the same question in page number 170 of your NCERT textbook. It's one of the solved problems. See, a convex mirror has a radius of curvature of 3 meter. If a bus is located at 5 meter from this mirror, find the position, nature and size of the image. So the convex mirror has a radius of curvature. So first of all, just note down all the data given in the question. Radius of curvature is given, that is 3 meter, and u. What is u? You need to identify that u and v from the question. That is the challenge. So if a bus is located at 5 meter, bus is our object, and we are getting image of this bus in our convex mirror. So bus is our object, and this bus is located at 5 meter from the mirror. So 5 meter is the distance between the bus and the mirror. That means between the object and the mirror. So that is u. And again, I have told you there is a trick. In all the problems, you must take u as negative. Or in all the problems, because u will be always placed to the left of the mirror. Here. Then, find the position, nature and size of the image. So you must find out v and you must find out the nature of image. Position means you are supposed to find out v, the location of the image, and you must find out the nature, whether it is virtual or erect, or whether it is diminished or enlarged. Since it is a convex mirror, we can easily write it is virtual, erect and diminished, because convex mirror will always produce virtual, erect and diminished image. But we have to prove it mathematically. Through the result, we need to prove the same thing. Okay. So here radius of curvature is 3 meter, u is minus 5 meter, and we need to find out v. And here no need to find out height of the image. We can just compare it, because height of the object is not given. Height of the bus is not given here, so we can't find out height of the image. We can just compare the size of object and image through magnification, that we will discuss now. If radius of curvature is given, you can easily find out focal length. Focal length is r by 2. We have studied this relation. So 3 by 2 is 1.5 meter. Then use our mirror formula. 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Because a focal length is given, u is given. You need to find out v. So which is the equation relating u, v and f? This is our mirror formula. So we have to use this formula. So from this, what is 1 by v? 1 by v is equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u. And substitute the value of f. F is 1.5 minus 1 by u. What is u? Minus 5. You need to substitute this minus 5. Never omit this minus sign, otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay. Then minus into minus will be plus. So here you will get equal to 1 by 1.5 plus 1 by 5. And when you simplify this term, you will get 6.5 by 7.5. That is 1 by v. So what will be v? To obtain v, you need to take the reciprocal of this expression. So you will get 7.5 by 6.5, that is 1.15 meter. And here the radius of curvature will be positive. Why? This is a convex mirror, and the focus, radius of curvature, center of curvature, everything is on the right side of the mirror, to the right side of the pole. So as per sign convention, it should be taken as positive. Okay. Now you must find out the size of the image. You must compare the size of the image. So for that you need to go for a magnification. So magnification is height of the image by height of object. Also we have another formula, minus v by u. Here we don't know about the height of image and height of object. So we need to use the second formula, minus v by u. Okay. Equal to minus, what is v? V is obtained 1.15 by minus 5. What is u? U is minus 5. So substitute minus 5 here. And outside the bracket we have minus. Inside the bracket we have minus. Minus into minus plus. And when you simplify this expression, you will get 0.3 meter. Not meter, sorry. Magnification is dimensionless. It doesn't have any unit. Okay. 0.23. So look at the magnification value. What is its sign? It is plus. Since it is plus, it is virtual and erect. Image is virtual and erect. And the magnitude is 0.23. Since it is less than 1, magnification value is less than 1, the image is smaller. So the image is smaller by a factor of 0.23. Okay, so what is the nature of image? Image is virtual, erect and smaller by a factor 0.23. And where is the image formed? Image is formed, V is positive. So image is formed on the right side itself. So image is formed on the opposite side of the object. Okay. Children, now look at the second question. The same question is there in your NCERT textbook, page number 170. 170. Okay. Now, an object 4 cm in size is placed at 25 cm from a concave mirror. It's a concave mirror now of focal length 15 cm. At what distance should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image? Find the nature and size of image. So what all things are given? An object 4 cm in size. So height of the object is given. Height of the object 4 cm. Is placed at 25 cm from a concave mirror. So object is placed at a distance of 25 cm from the mirror. 25 cm is the distance between object and the mirror, that is U. And it is always taken as negative. Then focal length is 15 cm. So what is the sign of focal length? Is it positive or negative? Children, this is a concave mirror. For concave mirror, focus, center of curvature, everything is on the left side. So focal length also will be on left side. Focal length is the distance between pole and the focus. So focal length also will be on the left side. If it is on the left side, as per sign convention, it should be negative. Okay. So at what distance should a screen be placed to obtain a sharp image? That means on the screen we will get the image. So where should the screen be placed? That means what should be the V? You are supposed to find out V here. And also find the nature and size of image. You must find out the height of image. Size means height of image. Okay. So again U, F and V. Same relation, 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Therefore 1 by V equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U, that is 1 by F. What is F? Not just 15, it is minus 15. So substitute minus 15 minus 1 by minus 25 because U is minus 25. Minus into minus is plus. And when you simplify this, you can either take cross multiply and simplify it, or you can take the LCM. Minus 2 by 75. So 1 by V is minus 2 by 75. Therefore V will be 75 by 2. That is minus 37.5 centimeter. So V is negative. Since V is negative, we can conclude image is also formed on the left side of the concave mirror. Next, you should find out size of the image. For that, you must use the magnification formula. What is the formula? Two formulas are there. Height of image by height of object and minus V by U. In order to find out height of the image, you need to combine these two formulas. It's very important. So from this, therefore, height of image is minus V by U into height of object. Cross multiply. So we know V, U and height of object. So therefore, height of image is V by U. Substitute V minus 37.5, U minus 25, and outside we have this minus. So never forget to use this minus sign here. Then into height of object. What is height of object? 4. And when you simplify, you will get minus 6 centimeter. That is the height of the image. So size of the image is minus 6 centimeter. And what is the nature of image? From the magnification value, you can infer about the nature. What is that? Minus. So that means it will be real and inverted. And magnitude is 6. That means 6 is greater than 1. So the image will be an enlarged image. Okay. So this is the nature of the image, size of the image and V. Okay, children. And here height of the object is taken as positive. Height of the image will be always positive. Why? Because it is always, the object is always placed above the principal axis. So as per sign convention, height of object is always positive and U will be always negative. Now children, look at the third numerical. It's very simple one. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image of an object placed 10 centimeter from it. So where is the image located? So here magnification is given. What is the magnification? A concave mirror produces 3 times. If it is 3 times, magnification will be 3. And if it is 2 times, magnification will be 2. If it is 5 times, magnification will be 5. And it is a real magnified and real image. So we can definitely write it is 3. And also real, since it is a real image, the sign of magnification will be negative. So magnification m is minus 3. No unit will be there. Then u of an object placed 10 centimeter from it. So this is the distance of object from the mirror. And what is that? 10 centimeter. So u is minus 10 centimeter. Where is the image located? You need to find out v. So m, u and v. This is the equation. M is equal to minus v by u. And you need to find out v. Therefore v is equal to m into u. Cross multiply. Also put this minus sign here. So minus into m into u equal to minus of, what is m? M is minus 3 into u. What is u? Minus 10. So minus 3 into minus 10 is 30, and we have this minus sign outside. So you will get minus 30 centimeter. So this is v, minus 30 centimeter. Okay. So some numericals will be there, and so many numericals are there in your NCERT textbook. So I will note down the page number and the question number in this session. Do it as a homework. If you have any doubt, make a call and clear your doubt. Okay. Children, this is your homework. Page number 186 of your NCERT textbook. Question numbers 12, 13, 14 and 15. So please take the screenshot of this and do your homework. Okay children, with this I am concluding my session. YouTube video based on the topic and notes have been uploaded. Please go through that. Attempt the test, learn the notes and attempt the test seriously. We will meet in the next session. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.